Great advice for succeeding with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business strategy where companies pay affiliates to help them bring in customers. Affiliate marketing is effective because it gives businesses a chance to make more profit. While it is useful, affiliate marketing can be harmful, as there are some affiliates that try to scam businesses. If you want to use affiliate marketing without being scammed, then read the tips in this video. If you find the website of the product owners not very well done, you can easily find affiliate link cloaker tools. These programs allow you to link any page from the company's website. Link your audience directly to the page where they can buy the product if your own website provides enough content. After you get your foot in the door with affiliate marketing, you shouldn't rest on your laurels. Begin seeking out new opportunities and expand your horizons. Make another blog or add another domain to your host server and interlink your sites so that your current customers can check out your new venture. One great way to always stay ahead of the game in affiliate marketing is to be among the first people to advertise a newly released product. To stay ahead of the game and to promote products before the market becomes saturated, check out various large companies, like ClickBank, and find out about new products. Check the conversion rate of the affiliate company you are considering working with. Look for a site that has at least 1% conversion ratio, meaning 1 out of every 100 visitors make a purchase. Check the sales copy of the site and see if it makes you want to purchase. As stated before, affiliate marketing allows companies to pay affiliates for more customers. This effective strategy causes businesses to gain more profit. There are two sides to affiliate marketing, as some affiliates will attempt to scam businesses. If you remember the tips in this video when using affiliate marketing, you can avoid being scammed while getting more customers and profit. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.